What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to make a report in the Snapchat app. Now this is super simple. Once you have your Snapchat app open, you're just going to head over to the account that you want to report. I have this account right here. You're just going to hold down on their username as seen in the chat. And then from here, you're going to click more. It should be the second option from the bottom. And then right from here, the option all the way at the top, it's in red. It's for report. And it's going to give you a bunch of different options for why you're reporting. You could just select the reason why and then just follow through the prompts. It's pretty easy. And then from there, your report is made. And this also works if you see tiles that you want to report in this popular area. You just follow the same procedure and just hold them down, hit the more button, and then you could hit the report button and report the tile. If you found this tutorial confusing or you had any questions at all, don't hesitate to leave a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also read the description because there's some very important information that you wouldn't want to miss.